I've not recorded this session. Huh? Okay. Rationalizing factor. The rationalizing factor of root of a, which means a to the power of 1 by 2 must be multiplied to another number so that it should give you a rational value. The rational number is a, with which you have to multiply it with a power 1 by 2 only. Okay. So rationalizing factor of root a, because we know that it is root a into root a will give me a. A is the rational number. If I ask you what is the rationalizing factor of cube root of a, which is a power 1 by 3, into how much? Give me a power 1. So tell me a power 1 by 3 into a power how much? 1 by 3 plus how much will give me 1? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 should give me 1. Therefore, rationalizing factor of third root of a is third root of a square. Try to understand, if nothing is there means in the power it is 1. So I want cube root. So I want it to be cube. So a power 1, a power 2. So it becomes the cube root. If I want the rationalizing factor of fifth root of a square, then I'll say this one is fifth root of a cube. Right? If it is 10th root of a cube, a power 7. It goes on like that. Okay. The same manner, rationalizing factor of root of a minus root of b. It is root of a plus root of b. If you want it is a minus root of b or a plus root of b, it becomes a minus root of b. Right? It goes on. So you generally it is call it as conjugate. So root of a plus b, root of a plus root of b becomes root of a minus root of b. If you multiply both of them, it will convert it into the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, as a result, you get a rational number a minus b. Suppose if I ask you the rationalizing factor of cube root of a plus cube root of b, with which you have to multiply this so that the result is a rational number. Obviously, what kind of rational number you'll expect? You'll expect a plus b only here. So I'm writing x cube plus y cube formula. We know that it is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So you compare. We compare x with or else x cube with a, y cube with b. So x becomes cube root of a, y becomes cube root of b. What is x square? Cube root of a square. y square cube root of b square, or else a to the power of 2 by 3, b to the power of 2 by 3. Now, how do I rewrite the formula? In terms of a and b, a plus b can be written as cube root of a plus cube root of b cube root of a square ab cube root of b square, right? It is cube root of a plus cube root of b into cube root of a square minus cube root of ab plus cube root of b square. So the rationalizing factor of this is this. Cube root of 9 minus cube root of 3 plus 1 is, if you see this, the given thing is in the form of cube root of 3 square, cube root of 3 into 1, cube root of 1 square, you can say. So this one is a b. So generally the answer is cube root of a plus cube root of b. A here is 3 and b here is 1. Therefore the answer is cube root of 3 plus 1. What is the answer? The answer is cube root of 3 plus 1. Right? Is this understood, all of you? We all know a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. If suppose a minus b is equals to 1, or else a square minus b square equal to 1, then you can write 1 by a plus b is a minus b. You can write 1 by a minus b as a plus b. Example, 3 plus 2 root 2. It goes on like that. How do I write them? See, if I take it as a and this is b, first term is a, second term, so second one is b. So a square minus b square in all the cases, all the 5 examples which I have given is a minus b is a square minus b square is 1. Therefore, it 1 by a plus b becomes a minus b. That is 3 minus 2 root 2. 49 minus 48 is 1. Therefore, I can write as 7 minus 4 root 3. 81 minus 80. Therefore, 9 plus 2 plus root 3, right? If you have 1 by root of 1 plus root of 2, A you take it as this, B you take it as this. You write it as root 2 minus 1. I'll write it as root of 11. If suppose the difference is something else, if the difference is 2, first you write the bigger number root 5 minus root 3 by 2. I'm just eliminating one step, that's all. Try to understand. If it is root of 3 plus root of 5, you are multiplying it with what? Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. Numerator becomes root 5 minus root 3 only. Denominator is 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? The difference is 2. That's all we are writing. We are writing the difference there, right? What kind of sums you may get? Hmm. 99 plus root of 100. First it becomes root 2 minus root 1. Root 3 minus root 2. We know the difference is 2. So I'll write it as a root 3 minus root 1 by 2. So that by 2 you can take common from everything. So what you'll be left with? Everything else is cancelled. You'll be left with 25, that is 5 minus 1. It's 4 by 2, which is 2. Is this clear? How do you find out square? We know a plus b whole square is plus or minus, if I take it, a square plus b square minus or plus or minus 2ab. If it is root of x, plus or minus root of y whole square. It will be x plus y. Xy. Root of 6 minus or else root of 6 plus root of 7 whole square. 6 plus 7 13 plus 2 root 42. 6 into 7 is 42. If I do reverse, 2 root 56. 7 and 8. 7 plus 8. Therefore, root of 7 plus root of 8 whole square. Okay. Anyone? 7 and 3. Root of 7 whole square. What is missing? 2 is missing. Can I get 2 from inside? Yes. I can write it as 2 into root of 15. How can I write 15? 5 and 3. Therefore, this can be written as root 5 minus root 3 whole square. What is missing? 2 is missing. Can I get 2 from inside? No. Multiply it with 2. Divide it by 2. So this is 3. 3 into 1. So 3 plus 1. Therefore, I can say it as this is how you can write it. A minus b root 2, then what will be the value of? I don't want 60 here, I just want 2 here. So I'll take 30 inside. 30 square, it becomes 900. Can I factorize like 100 into 18, 50 into 36? Therefore, I can write it as root of 50 by root 2. Therefore, you can write it as minus 6 plus 5 root 2. A is equals to minus 6. B is equals to 5 minus 5. Anyway, you are asking under root of a square plus b square. 6 square is 36. 25. Root of 61. It is greater than root of 49. It is less than root of 64, which means it is greater than 8. greater than 7, less than 8, and it is little less than 8. You can clearly see if it is less than little less than 8. We can say so. Okay. Right. Rest of the questions we'll do it tomorrow. Any doubts so far? We have not recorded in the beginning. I'm not sending 60. I'm not sending 60. Okay. Okay. I should keep 2 here. And just 2 should be as it is there, right? Because it should be x plus y minus 2 root of x y. I want the formula should be like this. This is the square of what? Root of x minus root of y whole square. I forgot to write 2 here, but yeah, I'm sending only 30 inside because I want 2 to be here, right? I'm keeping all the slides so that if you miss anything, you can just take it from the recording. I think from here you have recordings. Okay, then thank you everyone.